Nancy Wethington with you today and show you my latest mini book from Button Farm Club. And for this book, I'm using the winter collection from Echo Park. I just love this collection. It's so sweet. Let me pull back and show you the cover. So this collection, like I said, is winter from Echo Park, and I loved the colors of this, the light blues, the dark blues, the light greens, very subtle green, and on the cover then I used a background sheet. These are, and I'll pull this a little closer, these are chipboard pieces, which you'll get in the kit. Another chipboard piece. This is from the ephemera collection that's in the kit. And these are stickers and another chipboard, all in the kit. What also is in the kit, I added a star with some snow that's out of wood, kind of a rough wood, and a little mini cap, winter cap, I thought was really cute. This is a 2-inch album. I'm sorry, 2-inch wide album. The spine is 2 inches wide from 49 Market. And I'm really loving this album. It's very different from any other album that I've used. This one happens to be all white, and it actually has 3 sections to it. You can see that a little closer. And each section is a fold out. So even though there's only 3 sections, each section has 4 sides. And of course, you know, we're going to add some flips in there besides, and we're going to manipulate the flips that are already in the book. So this particular book is 8.5 inches tall by 6.5 inches wide, and like I said, with a 2-inch spine. So plenty of room to add things to it. In between each of the spines is a 3/8 inch seam. So again, lots of space to add, which you know we like to junk up those books. This is the back cover. Just used a piece of the cardstock that you'll get with your book, with your kit, sorry, and Warm Winter Blessings, part of the ephemera kit that's included. So let's take a look at the inside. On the inside cover, I have included this craft colored envelope, which will hold 4x6 photos. And I've placed the envelope glued on 3 sides only. Oh my goodness, I need a tab on this. Hang on. Oh my gosh, I'll get it out in a minute. Open the envelope and you can stick some photos inside. And I've added adhesive only on 3 sides of the envelope so we could put another photo mat on the inside, and I have cut that, but apparently can't get it out of the envelope right at the moment. I think it's my nails. Isn't that the craziest? This is a piece from the ephemera kit, and I've attached it only on the flap of the envelope. Then, of course, the envelope has a tie string, and I've added a piece of ephemera again to one of the circles on the tie, and then a few of the stickers from the sticker sheet. The next page we're manipulating a little bit, and those are all in the directions with step-by-step photos. This one is Let It Snow. This is from the ephemera pack. And we're creating a top fold on this with a pocket and cards for photo mats on the inside. And I'm closing this, if you can see this, let me get this up a little closer. closing some of these flaps in the book with Velcro stickers. These stickers, you'll get 3 of these sets in your kit. And to do this, let me open this up just in case you haven't used these before. So you have a positive and a negative. The positive is clear and the negatives are white. So those will be stuck together. You would, pardon my reach, cut one apart. To close it, take one side of the sticker off only, and I'll use the packaging to show you how this works. So the sticky part down, take the second clear off. So now I have sticky, see how it's shiny? Close this up. This is just the packaging I'm using for a sample. And when you open it, you'll have, and did you hear it open? You'll have a stick in exactly the right place to match the clear. The clear you can barely see. Whoop. Okay, and it even works. This is heavy chipboard, so it even works on that. I love using these in books because they don't add any weight to the book at all. They're so easy to use. They never fail. And as you can see, this is the clear on the pocket, the top of the pocket, and the white is on the white background. Okay, so that's how we're closing a lot of these. I'm going to flip the page. Oh, one more thing I wanted to show you. There is a margin in between these pages. You can see this here, and it goes on every single page. You can choose to cover that, or you can leave it blank like this one is. If you want to leave it blank, fine, no big deal. If you want to close it, all you need to do is cut a strip from leftover paper that's 3/8 inches wide by 8 inches tall. Add some glue to the back of it. I'm a glue person, but if you're a tape person, that works also. Stick this down. And now you have your panels, or the gussets in between the pages are all covered and pretty. Okay, so the next page we're going to do another fold out. So I've created this photo mat. If you want to, this little piece, so cute, isn't it? Is from the ephemera kit. I would suggest, if you're making this book and you're not putting pictures in as you're making it, I would suggest gluing this guy just down on this end, leaving this side open so you can slip your photo behind that. We're going to open this up. This is one of the flips. Originally, this flip was like this, but I turned it around. And I have directions on the inside to make another gusset with your scoreboard, which leaves you lots of room on the inside. On this one, I've created this flip. And again, I'm using Velcro as a closure. This is a piece of chipboard. Open it up. And there's room for 4 photos, or journaling, whatever you want, plus another larger photo. We're going to match up the Velcro to this clear Velcro down here, and that will close up your page. The next set, this is still on section 1 of the book, another Velcro closure with flips. So you have room for 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 photos on that page. Close it up, and we'll go on to section 2. Another piece from the ephemera. This was the original flip, and what we're going to do on this flip is trim it and score it to make a side pocket. So this is section 2. Like I said, the original flip, make a pocket out of it and add a trifold. Now this trifold is a little bit different because I only decorated the front of the trifold. It's stickers, or sticker, and ephemera, and raised it up a bit. But you do have a piece of paper. You're going to get a 12 by 12 collection pack as well as a 6 by 6 paper pack. And in the 6 by 6 paper pack, you have some lined paper that I just trimmed out so that you could put a photo here and then add journaling here. You know how we do. Was he 3 in that picture or 4? Well, here, you can write it right here, age 3.5. Tuck that in, and then you have another piece of beautiful winter paper from Echo Park and a large enough photo mat for a larger photo. I'm going to turn the page. This is the back of section 2. I'm going to untie ribbon, all included with your book, with your kit, sorry. Another cute little piece for the hat and the gloves from the chipboard. Aren't those cute? I just love this paper. And then this will open and open again. And you have room for 1, 2, 3 photos, 4 photos, and close it up. This is the start of section 3. So on section 3, we have a photo mat, a large photo mat to start out this section. Open it. In the first piece, we have a belly band with this Let's Get Cozy. So room for 1, 2, 3 pictures, 4 if you want to cover this, or just 2 on the inside, however you want to do this. That slips behind the the belly band. And then this flips up, and you have a side pocket with photo mat, and then another large piece, a large photo will fit here. Close this up, and this is the original flip. I'm going to open this up. This is hanging, this Walking in a Winter Wonderland is just hanging off the side of this smaller flip. So on this one, you can add a photo here. If you want to, you can add a small photo in the front. I've created a pocket with stickers embellishing the pocket. And then you're going to take 3 of the cards from one of the paper, the 4x4 cards. And you can add small photos to the front or back of these. And what I did with these then was tie them together, punch a hole, tie them together with a piece of the leftover ribbon, slide 2 of the cards into the pocket, and 1 card leave hanging in the front. And of course you still have room for other pictures in that pocket. Then the back, I've used an ephemera piece, There's No Place Like Home, with Crackling Fires words from one of the papers. Raise this up, and then you can put a journaling card or photo mat behind it. And on the inside back cover, a photo mat for a large photo with a winter sticker. Now you might have noticed this is something I love to use, are these corner punches. You can use corner punches of your choice, or you can get this. This is the one I use. It's from Memory Keepers. It's a stub and scallop punch. So you open it up, and one side will do the scallop, and the other side will do the stub. This one is the scallop side. The other thing I've done, which I've never done in any book I think I've ever made, I always ink my edges. I've never had one that I haven't inked, and I never did ink one page in here, which is very unusual for me. But this book is such pure white, and the images are so crisp with pure white backgrounds that I really didn't want to ink it up and make it dark. I wanted to leave it the light, bright, beautiful snow color.